Horizon Structures. You've seen what we build at our website, horizonstructures.com. Now we invite you to visit our facility at 5075 Lower Valley Road in Atlgen, Pennsylvania. It's a great opportunity to see the quality of what we build up close and personal. Wander through our new outside living showcase. See examples of our pavilions, gazebos, pool houses, sunrooms, playsets, and much more. We invite you to take all the time you need to decide on the perfect structure for your property. You'll also see the biggest and most diverse selection of garages, storage sheds, horse barns, chicken coops, and dog kennels in the business. It's a virtual city of structures with several hundred buildings on display, so make sure you have plenty of time. Every building is open for your inspection. But that's not all. We welcome you to see what goes into the building of our structures. Just ask for a tour of our manufacturing facility. You'll see quality in the making from the observation deck that gives you a bird's eye view of the manufacturing process. Our 65,000 square foot facility was designed expressly for our use, and it's impressive to see in operation. So come on over, look around. There's never any pressure, of course. We'd be glad to answer all your questions and help you plan your next project. After your visit, you'll see why we say Horizon Structures. Endless options, legendary quality, and amazing value.